What's up, you guys? So I'm going to be doing this smoky eye look for you, and this is a new kind of way of doing my makeup that I haven't tried before, but I just decided to be brave and try it out. I'm just taking this like all white, pinky white kind of color and just putting it all over my lid as like a base. And this is something that I do all the time for my makeup, and I just try to make sure that I get from the lid all the way up to the brow bone with that color. And I'm going to take this like kind of like metallic-y green color and put it in my crease, and I sat here building it for a good while. Excuse the lighting, it was horrible. I didn't even realize how bad it was until I was editing the video. But I just had to sit there and like blend that color into my crease for so long. It took forever because that color wasn't super pigmented, so I had to sit there and like build it for a good while. But it finally comes out and it's kind of toned down compared to what I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a lot like I guess like a lot darker, maybe. I'm not sure what I was expecting, but I just wanted to try it out and see how it would go, especially because later on you'll see that I had just gotten this new jacket, and oh my gosh, I just was like, I need to do something with my makeup to kind of go with the jacket. So it's like green on my eyes it is. And usually I don't well, I haven't done like a smoky eye in a long time, and I kind of put like a darker lip with it, which I know a lot of people are not gonna agree. People think like if you do really dark eyes then you should do more of a nude lip, but this is not my style. I just wanted to have the lip color that I'm used to with it, so that's what I did. But yeah, I really had to just keep packing this color on and just blend back and forth in circles, and then I took some time to kind of like pat it on too to see if that would make the color come out any darker or anything, and it did help somewhat, but mostly I'm just going like blending back and forth with that color. And now I'm just taking this, I'm actually taking a lip color because it was kind of like a creamy base, and I put it on my lid for the next color that I'm going to use. That way it'll stick to my lid a lot better. I'm taking this like sparkly black color, couldn't really tell what color it was, but it's like a sparkly black, and I'm just putting that all over my lid, and yeah, it's going to give it, you know, the smoky effect there, of course. And this one too, I had to just keep building it, not as much as I had to keep building the green, but somewhat I did. And you have to have some grace for me because this was like my first time in like a really long time trying to step out of my comfort zone and do something different with my makeup. Usually I just stick to like the same old dang thing all the time, which is like a brown color in my crease and then some wing liner. Like it's just my basic everyday thing, and I really wanted to try something different. And I went all different too. Like my outfit, as far as like the jacket, was definitely different for me. The hairstyle was different for me. The makeup was different for me. I was just trying to do something different, you know, just mix it up. But I'm just going back in with that green color, trying to get it to make sure that it still stands out even though I put the black on, and I wanted to make sure that the black didn't really take away from the green color. And then I also had to go back in, touch up the black color. So it was just a lot of going back and forth and making sure that each color was looking the way that I wanted it to look. So now I'm just taking this eyeliner and lining my tight line with it, which I know it looks so weird when I do that, but like, oh well. And then I was like watching a YouTube video the whole time doing my makeup because it's like something that I just love to do. So like you'll see me from time to time in this video like cracking up. And it was just because I was watching those videos. So thanks to Cinnamon Toast Ken and the React Couch, that's what I was watching. I was binge watching those videos. I think they are hilarious. And now I'm just taking this little smudge brush and taking the black color and going underneath my eyes, kind of cleaning it up a little bit to give, you know, for that smoky effect. And then I'm just filling in my eyebrows, of course. So important, especially when you, I feel like especially when you do heavy makeup, if you don't do your eyebrows, I think it looks off. You know, like look at the side that I didn't do and then look at the other side. But like the side that I had my eyebrows on, it looked way better. And then whenever I finally fill in the other side, it's like, oh, it's complete now. Because when you don't, it just looks like, I don't know, it just looks off. But thank goodness we found out about filling in our eyebrows. And then I'm just taking a little spoolie brush and brushing them out to make sure that they don't look super, super dark. And this has been super helpful for me because there was like a point where I was just doing my eyebrows way too thick and way too dark. And girl, that was not about it. Needed to change that up. So I was glad I got the little spoolie and brushed it out a little, and it makes a huge difference. Honestly, I would suggest it to anybody whenever you're doing your brows. Fill them out, fill them in, and then take the little spoolie brush and kind of go through them. And it makes it a little bit sparse in some places, but it looks better because it looks more natural. Like my eyebrows are naturally kind of thick, so I'm not really making them any thicker than they already are. I'm just following the hairs that I have. So I like that it almost looks like more natural when you look up close to it. It doesn't just look like a drawn on eyebrow. And finally, I got some new eyeliner, that other eyeliner that I was using in my other videos. I hated that stuff. It was driving me nuts. It was like, it felt more like lash glue than anything. And I just, oh my gosh, I don't know. But I just had to work with it. So I really like this e.l.f. eyeliner, and I really don't think I've used it before. I might have, but I love it. Like, I love, oh my gosh, I was screaming whenever I was watching those videos. I was just like cracking up, and for the most part I was able to like contain it and not laugh throughout the entire video. But that was like that one point that you just saw that like I just had to laugh. I was cracking up so hard. But anyways, new eyeliner, love it. Now I'm taking my mascara, and I just go from where the eyelashes begin. Oh my gosh, look at this. Cringing, so tragic. I could not believe that I did that, but honestly, that happens to me so much. Ugh, I hate when I do that. Like, I accidentally blink when I'm doing my mascara, and then the wand just goes into my eye, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm crying. It's horrible. But yeah, anyways, so I just go literally from like where my eyelashes begin all the way up to the end, and like kind of wiggle the brush to get it up there, and it actually makes my eyelashes a lot curlier. So now I'm just taking this lip liner, couldn't think of the word for a minute, and lining my lips, of course. And then I'm gonna take a color that's similar to it in this lipstick palette that I'm using as a mirror, and I'm just gonna put that on my lips. And I know I used my finger to get the lip color. People are probably cringing about that too, but it's mine and I'm the only one that uses it, so it's fine, I can live with it. But yeah, so that's what I did. And I actually like how it looks. I like the dark eyes, I like the kind of dark lips, and I hope you guys enjoyed it too. I really had fun with this look, and like I said, I even tried out a new hairstyle. I was wearing a new jacket, and I was just like living in this moment. It was great. So I'm so sorry that I've been kind of MIA, but I will be back with more videos, and I hope you stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.